Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This time I prepared a video on a new topic that is surgical instruments means the instruments which we are using in surgery. In this video we will discuss some important or the instruments we are using mainly during surgery. So we will start from first one that is scalpel handle. As per name suggests, scalpel means a blade which the surgeon used during surgery to cut the skin surface and handle to hold it. So, in simply, we can say that scalpel handle is an instrument which is used to handle the scalpel during the surgery time. Next one is Doyne's retractor. It is an instrument which is mainly used in abdominal, obstetric, or gynec surgeries. Its main function is to retract the bladder or abdominal or vaginal wall during cesarean section. If we talk about the common function of all retractor, we will say that they perform the function to hold the skin surface. This will help to clearly visualize the site or the inner part to be operated. Now you are able to see the picture of Doyne's double clip. It is a clip like structure or an instrument which is mainly used for grasping or holding tissue. It is also used to secure the towel or the drapes from which we are covering the part of the patient. Sometimes it also used to hold or to reduce small bone fractures. Next one is toothed dissecting forceps. It is an instrument which is used to handle tissues and different materials, mainly handling dense or thick tissue or for hemostasis. Hemostasis means to stop bleeding. Next one is non-toothed dissecting forceps. It is also used to handle tissue and it also used for traction during dissection. Traction means to stretch the tissue or to pull out to break it. Next one is vein stripper. It is an instrument used to strip up the vein, mainly in case of varicose vein. This is curved artery forceps. It is mainly used to control bleeding by holding or clamping the blood vessel so the cauterization or ligation can be performed. This can also be used for fine or small tissue dissection and to hold small sutures. Next is Cali retractor. As per name suggests retractor, it is also used to pull back or to retract the edge of wound in order to expose the surgical area. This is surgical scissor. It is mainly used to cut tissue at the surface or inside the human body. Next is needle holder. As per name, it is an instrument which is used to hold the suturing needle for closing the wound site. Next is a sponge holder. A sponge holder is a holder or an instrument which is used to hold the sponge or cotton swab while conducting any medical procedures. Here we discussed some commonly used instrument during surgery. Hope you all like this video.